Okay, today I wanted to do a short video showcasing some of the key features on this Acer 3DS2. This machine is equipped with a 3-axis Accurite Mill Power G2 CNC retrofit kit. Very nice setup. The customer requested a power draw bar and also an automatic lube pump. He's using this machine for gunsmithing. We got a hardening ground table, hardening ground waves. The saddle's got turkite on the top and bottom that is hand scraped. It's got a 3 horsepower motor, runs off a Fuji, variable speed drive. These controllers are conversational and very user friendly and easy to pick up and learn. Now, one thing I like about it is you can actually still use this machine manually. If you had to drill one hole or something basic that you didn't want to spend the time writing a whole program for. If you have to do a lot of tool changes, I personally think the power draw bar is worth the extra money that you spend. It's quicker and it's easier. Sitting nice and quiet. Running nice and smooth. Get a closer look real quick. Everything's nice and clean. It's got a nice set of weight covers on it. The lube pump, you can adjust the settings yourself. Right now it's set up to lube for 20 seconds every 180 minutes, or you can just do it manually. These are nice machines for tool room, somebody's garage, and they're great machines to teach people on. All in all, it's a nice setup, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions anybody may have about it. You can comment below, or feel free to just give us a shout. Rossi Machinery Services Incorporated, located in Ashland, Ohio.